Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn place value to 1,000 together, step by step. Big numbers have 3 places: hundreds, tens, and ones. 10 ones make 110, 10 tens make 100. Place value tells us how much each digit is worth. Look at 246. The 2 means 2 hundreds. The 4 means 4 tens. The 6 means 6 ones. Each digit has its own job. We can stretch a number out to see its parts. 246 equals 200 plus 40 plus 6. This is called expanded form, and it shows each place clearly. Let's read 503. The 5 is 5 hundreds. The 0 means 0 tens, so we hold the place. The 3 is 3 ones. The 0 is a quiet but important helper. So every digit's place tells its value: hundreds, tens, and ones. You can stretch numbers into expanded form to see the parts. And remember, 0 holds a place so the other digits stay correct. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.